3 in the morning, pretty much, on Friday, September 6th, our first event of the fall season. Going into the fall season here starts today and goes into tomorrow, Saturday. But yeah, I just want to give you guys one last announcement here. This video will release later on today, but before the event actually starts. It is the Mayberry Market at Walnut Hills Farm. The address for it is 9085 Adams Road, Dayton, Ohio. If you're in the area, come check it out. Tomorrow is 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. And then on Saturday, it is 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. There's food, tons of different vendors, live music, lots of cool stuff is gonna be there. But yeah, the rest of this video is just gonna be a hectic montage pretty much of the past few days getting stuff ready for this event. But anyway, just wanted to give y'all one last invite to come out to this. All the details will be down in the description and the pinned comment. I may even put up some sort of graphic on the screen of all the details as well. But with that, let's get into the rest of the video, guys, and we hope to see you there. All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. It is a Wednesday, and our next event starts on Friday. It's Friday and Saturday. You guys will probably see this video, I don't know, either tomorrow or Friday. But yeah, we're knocking stuff out here, rolling on some stuff. I'll show you what we got going on. Got this guy on the laser here. Not too much more left on that. Check those out. We also have an Etsy order that's got to get shipped out. I'll bring you guys along packing that up. And we got a bunch of these panels out here that I got sprayed. They're shelves for that cabinet job from Thumbtack that I told you guys about that we've been working on. Well, mostly Tom, but I've been helping out. Also have a bunch of stuff framed up in here that Tom got sprayed last night with clear coat. Looking good here. But yeah, we're rolling. I just got another piece of framing burnt. I'm gonna start framing up some more of these. Different signs and whatnot. I may also go ahead and spray those for Tom. He just texted me and told me I could do that if I get the chance to. So I may go ahead and get that done. Alright, so like I said, this sold on Etsy. This is actually our second order ever that we've gotten off Etsy, so that's pretty exciting. First things first, we're gonna get it cleaned up because it's a little bit dusty from sitting. But yeah, let's do that. Alright guys, it is a brand new day. We are rolling on stuff, getting ready for the event this weekend. We got something to unbox here real quick though. I'm super excited about this. What do you guys think? Check it out. Man, oh man. I love it so much. All right, moving on. Got to keep rolling. I'm going to go ahead and be getting hooks on all of those. I got something running on the laser right now. Go ahead and show you that real quick. Got that running. It's this design right here. Fresh baked pies, except it's going to be on an orange piece. Cool stuff.